Good morning. It's Wednesday, January 3rd, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. A little more cloud cover this morning, and here comes the rain moving into lower Alabama, the Florida Panhandle. We'll zoom out just a little bit more. You can see a little better shot of this big rain system right on cue, just hugging the Gulf coastline there and continuing to move in toward Georgia. And this is a little bit more toward the north than the models are indicating over the last couple of days. And as I mentioned, the more north the center of the storm is, our chance of snow is reduced up in North Georgia. So I think we may see a flurry or two later tonight up in the North Georgia mountains, but not a big deal. This is mainly going to be a rain event, and this is going to be one of about 3 rain events we're going to be talking about over the next several days. So if you're trying to make plans where you have to dodge the rain, you're going to have to pick your days very carefully because we do have several rounds of rain moving in with about 3 frontal boundaries all associated with our general weather pattern that we have going on right now. I know that's a lot to think about. We'll take a look at the modeling and the forecast so I can show you what's happening in just a second. Temperatures are chilly this morning with a little bit more water vapor in the air. It just feels colder out there, 34 degrees in Atlanta, and most of the state is below freezing with those temperatures dipping down into the low 30s and parts of southeast Georgia. How about Statesboro at 28 this morning? Savannah is even below freezing at 30 degrees. And checking in 28 up in Athens. Albany is at 36. So let's check out our modeling. So we move through the morning hours. There's that rain coming up from the Gulf Coast, continuing to push in a little bit closer. So we're going to see a few scattered showers in southwest Georgia in the mid-morning hours, and then a few scattered showers start to pop up in southeast Georgia in the early afternoon hours. We're going to see that a little more consistent variety of rain start to push in to mainly southwest Georgia in the early afternoon. And Metro Atlanta going to get in on the rain right around drive time this afternoon at 5 p.m. Again, scattered showers ahead of this main bulk here, so just be on the lookout for that as we move through the day today. But then we're going to see a little bit better rain moving in, and that's going to be a cold rain, especially in middle and north Georgia. Continuing through the evening hours, again, a few light snow flurries are possible up in North Georgia in the mountains. No accumulation is expected. We move overnight tonight. We'll start to get that rain out, mainly west of I-75, going to be dry, south of I-20. We'll still see those showers there all the way down to the coastline, and then that's completely gone by tomorrow morning. A little bit of a breeze as we get started, mix of sun and clouds through the day, and then things look quiet, right? And they will be until we head into Friday, and then we see another big storm system move again. The center of that low is going to be moving in toward Houma and New Orleans as we get going Friday afternoon, and then that's going to push in a little more cloud cover through the day on Friday, and then those scattered showers start to move into West Georgia by Friday evening, and we see a little cooler air mixing in again. So once again, possibility of a few snow showers. I think we're going to keep most of that up in East Tennessee and western North Carolina, but Brasstown, Ball, Blairsville, Hiawassee could see a couple of little light snow showers Friday night into Saturday morning. We clear out a bit, and then we'll see another round start to come in by Monday. So again, we're going to be threading the needle over the next few days if you're looking for a day or two of dry conditions. It's just going to be hit or miss over the next several days all the way into next week. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.